Kiama gĩa DCP oibo igoro mũseneta bwe kaunti ya Nyandarua John Methu nigo Omochirie murai bwense William Ruto asogusinya gwikirania chira chiri arire Kenya enkwana ya Methu nigo yachire amatuka make maiga y'omurai bwe kiama ekio Rigathi Gachagua kubwatuka amabori ao gochia Eserekari ayo atebire asinyire gwikirania sebono Methu atebire bune Eserekari nige bonete kwiraniria amabori ayo na etiga okora ebitamiro binde byonse.
Our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, took Kenyans through William Ruto's performance scorecard for the last 4 years. For the last 2 days, the broad-based choir failed to address the substantive issues raised by His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua for and on behalf of the people of Kenya. They chose to dwell on petty, trivial matters that are best characterized as rumors. Collectively, the government is scared of the truth of its own people and reality. They have responded to illusions, personalities, and fear. They are confused and have run out of ideas. We have many questions to ask our fellow parliamentarians, but we will limit ourselves to only one. Why can't you prepare a comprehensive rebuttal to the people of Kenya on the 4 years accountability statement presented by His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua? Don't tell us about His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Tell Kenyans about William Ruto's 4-year presidency. To the government mandarins, which substantive claims in the 40-page address are false? Provide evidence. Let us remind you the questions that the people of Kenya are asking. On the cost of living, are ordinary Kenyans better off today than they were in September 2022? Show us the figures on household disposable income and purchasing power. On taxation, has the tax burden on the Kenyan households and businesses increased or decreased since 2022? On public debt, how much debt did William Ruto inherit? How much has his government borrowed? And what is the public debt today? On jobs and businesses, how many sustainable jobs have actually been created? What is happening to businesses that are closing or struggling? On education, why are universities, schools, students, and parents struggling with funding if the economy is doing so well? On healthcare, SHA, is SHA actually delivering better and more affordable healthcare than what Kenyans had before? Give us the figures on access, claims, and outstanding bills. But let us ask an even more fundamental question. Is Mr. William Ruto aware that nurses in Kenya are on strike? Is he aware?